Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you the best Bedrock Christmas mod you need to try. This is the Christmas Decorations add-on by KA Studios. It's available on the marketplace for 490 Minecoins. Once you load into your world, you'll get a guidebook. You'll see that there's a bunch of new decorations like new winter decorations, vehicles, clothing, lights, and a bunch of festive extras. So let's start with one of the biggest features, the sleighs. The basic spruce sleigh is crafted from spruce fence, a plank, and a lever. Once placed, you can hop in and ride around. One thing to note is that breaking it is a bit awkward. It's technically an entity, so you'll probably end up having to kill it to get rid of it. There are also gold and iron versions. The gold sleigh is faster and even lets you ride with another player. The iron sleigh is the fastest and most durable, although it's a bit pricier to craft. Next up we have Christmas lights. You can craft these with glowstone, string, and redstone. They do give off a decent amount of light and you can string them together if you aim at the right angle. They don't animate or toggle on or off, but hopefully the creator adds this in the future. There are also two types of wreaths, a plain decorative version and one with lights. The lighted version glows but doesn't actually light the area, so it does animate. You can place them above doors or walls and they look great. This add-on also brings in some nice decorative pieces like a table with garland, an advent wreath, a festive bench and chair, floating stars, decorative baubles you can attach to trees, presents you can open and store items in, a gingerbread house, a snow globe, stockings, a roasted turkey you can sort of eat, lamps, candles, candy canes, and even sushi, which is not very Christmassy, but it's cool. Tables are one of my favorite pots. They act as proper blocks so you can place items cleanly on top, and they line up nicely with one another. Some decorations look good but don't fully work yet, like the cooking pot is decorative only. The lamppost doesn't light up, and mistletoe floats unless you give it a support block. A few of the entities also don't auto-rotate to face the player, so placing things just right can be tricky. But overall, the concept is solid, there's a ton of charm, and it's got a lot of cozy vibes. If you're looking to make your world feel really Christmassy, then I definitely recommend this add-on. The link to it will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro. Also, Merry Christmas!